Looking for unique business ideas to start? A candle making business could be an excellent option. Candle making is a fun and rewarding hobby, and you can easily turn it into a profitable business. You just need to have a solid plan, an established market, and a quality product. In this guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about starting a candle making business in South Africa. Define your unique niche and target market. Before diving into the mesmerizing world of candle making, let's pinpoint your niche and target market. Consider the different types of candles you can create: scented, decorative, eco-friendly, or perhaps something completely out of the box. Get to know your potential customers. Are they eco-conscious individuals, home decor enthusiasts, or gift givers? Understanding your niche will help you tailor your products and marketing efforts to attract the right crowd. Master the art of candle making. Now it's time to unleash your inner candle making maven. Explore various candle making techniques like container candles, pillar candles, or even sculpted creations. Experiment with different waxes, fragrances, and colors to create your own signature style. Let your creativity run wild as you craft candles that are as unique as you are. Source superior quality materials. To create candles that stand out from the crowd, you need top-notch materials. Seek out reputable suppliers who offer high-quality waxes, fragrance oils, wicks, containers, and other essential supplies. It's always great to support local businesses in South Africa, so consider sourcing from suppliers in your area. Remember, using premium materials will ensure your candles burn longer, smell divine, and captivate your customers. Cultivate an irresistible brand. Ready to make your mark? Building a strong brand presence is key to standing out in the candle market. Choose a catchy business name that reflects your personality and resonates with your target audience. Create a captivating logo and develop a cohesive visual identity for your website and social media platforms. Craft compelling product descriptions and use stunning visuals to showcase your candles and evoke an emotional connection with potential customers. Establish a compelling online presence. In the digital age, having a solid online presence is a must. Create a user-friendly website where customers can explore and purchase your beautiful candles. Embrace the power of social media. Instagram and Facebook are fantastic platforms to showcase your creations, engage with your audience, and build a community of candle enthusiasts. Develop a content strategy that includes eye-catching visuals, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and informative candle-related content to attract and retain customers. Market your candles and drive sales. Let's light up the sales charts. Implement effective marketing strategies to ignite interest in your candles. Utilize social media advertising, collaborate with influencers, and optimize your website for search engines to drive traffic. Don't forget to participate in local markets, craft fairs, or online marketplaces to reach a broader audience. Offer personalized packaging options, loyalty programs, or even delightful candle subscription boxes to enhance the customer experience and encourage repeat purchases. Deliver exemplary customer service. Customer satisfaction is everything. Be prompt and helpful in responding to inquiries, address any concerns swiftly, and ensure your orders are shipped securely and on time. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials to build trust and credibility. Go the extra mile to create a memorable experience that keeps customers coming back for more.